Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just a few hours ago, I made a video on how to trace this and clean up. And I mentioned in there that you could change the color of bitmap, and I've got a couple of videos on this, but I thought I'd just do one off this. It is still going to be a bitmap, and it's still going to be fuzzy. But if that works for you or that particular clip art is a little cleaner, so click on your clip art. You can see the white background. Go to bitmap and convert it to a bitmap, and at this time you change to CMYK if you're going to print it. I'm just going to do RGB. And then go to effects and adjust and replace colors. And this screen's going to come up. Now get your eyedropper, and let's say we're going to change this gold of this flower. And then you can either get your eyedropper or go right here. I don't know why that does that. It's a little irritating. Let's go down to RGB. And we're going to pick a yellow. And look what it did. It changed the color of that flower. We could do the same thing. Probably have to say OK and then start over. Go up to effects, adjust, replace colors. This time we're going to replace this color. So we're going to get the eyedropper. Okay, put it back to the original of the other, but that's beside the point. We're going to get that right there. And now we're going to see it already made it yellow because my other one's yellow, or what I had was yellow, but you could change it and make it blue. Of course, that's not a very good blue or a color. But with that said, it's still a bitmap. It's still, one, it's got a white background, and two, it's fuzzy. Now, I did change it. So if it's a gray clip art, I'd still remove the white background. And let's say the bitmap is perfect. So let's go ahead and go and trace the bitmap, outline trace clip art. Let's say you want to use the bitmap. What you can do is this right here. Let it finish its tracing, and I don't know why it's taking longer than it did before. Then hit that and move that over. Now what we can do, so we have a trace version, and once again, it's bad because I played with it. But what we can do now, the background is gone. So if we bring our blue box in, you can see the background's gone. So what you could do now is go up to Object, ungroup it. As soon as you do that, the boundary tool comes up, make a boundary of it. And I nudge the boundary down. Now I'm going to nudge it up. I'm going to fill it in with a dark, well, maybe not, let's go red so you can see it. And then I'm going to put it up there. Now I'm going to select both items, 3 items selected. I guess I got part of that flower right there. Let's move that flower out of the way. I'm only using the background so you can see it. And select everything and go to the intersect tool. And now you have that bitmap that doesn't have a white background. Anyway, I hope that helps that person, and thank you for watching.